Unlocking a suitcase when you forget the password in just 1 minute. Hi friends, it's Tracy here. Has anyone here forgotten their suitcase password at least a few times before? How do you usually deal with it? Use a hammer to smash it open. Oh, definitely not a good idea. Today I'm going to show everyone how to unlock a suitcase easily using just a dental pick. Be sure to watch until the end to learn the secret trick. First, lean in close to the lock because the number wheels are usually very small and a little difficult to see clearly. Next, to make things easier to see, use a flashlight and shine it directly onto each number wheel. Each number wheel on the suitcase is designed with a small notch or hidden gap on the side. What you need to do is find them and turn them toward the front position. Carefully use the tip of a dental pick and gently rotate each wheel one step at a time. This method helps you slowly turn the number wheels and makes it easier to find the hidden gap. There it is. The position of the first gap has appeared. Look closely at it, because this is actually a locator point inside the locking mechanism. Once you find this hidden gap, you are already halfway successful. Now do the same thing with the remaining number wheels, gently turning them one step at a time. The second and third hidden gaps will slowly appear. One important thing you need to pay attention to is making sure all 3 hidden gaps are lined up in the same straight position. At this point, the mechanism inside will release the lock latch. By the way, let me know which country you're watching this video from. I would really love to connect with everyone from around the world. Send each other a little greeting in the comments below. Now, all 3 hidden gaps have been lined up correctly. Next, carefully rotate all 3 number wheels together, one click at a time. You can turn them to the left or to the right, but make sure all the wheels are moving in the same direction. This part is very important because it helps locate the correct position of the unlocking mechanism inside. After each movement in one direction, try opening the lock once to see if the suitcase has found the correct password and unlocked yet. If not, continue repeating the same process a few more times. In most cases, the suitcase lock will open after 1 to 3 attempts. After a few tries, look at this, the suitcase lock has opened successfully. Some people may still think this only worked because I already knew the password before filming. So to make things clearer for everyone, I'm going to show you one more time by resetting the password. While the lock is still open, simply turn the number wheels to any random combination you want. I'm choosing the number combination 457. You can choose a combination that is easy to remember or something completely different from the old password. Once the new numbers are set, the suitcase will now be locked with a completely new password. From here, we can repeat the same method again to prove that this trick really works even with a different password combination. Now let's repeat the same process one more time with the new password we just created. First, carefully find the small hidden gaps on each number wheel again. Once you find them, line them up just like before. Next, slowly rotate all 3 wheels in the same direction, one click at a time. After a few careful tries, look at this. We found the new number combination and unlocked the suitcase successfully. So next time you forget your suitcase password, don't rush to break the lock or damage your suitcase. Try the method I shared to save yourself from trouble. There's one more thing I want to remind you of if you often forget passwords. After setting a new password, use your phone to take a picture of the number combination. Or write it down on a small piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe. And remember, don't leave the correct password showing on the lock after opening your suitcase. Make sure to rotate the gear wheel to any position after opening and closing to ensure safety on your next trip. So now everything has been solved. But now my suitcase has a little problem with this zipper here. It feels stiff and a little heavy when pulling. Most likely I haven't cleaned it for a long time, and it has become too dry. At this point, don't keep forcing it because the zipper could break or get damaged. While we're here, let me show everyone a very simple way to make this zipper smooth again using Vaseline. You just need to use the tip of a cotton swab to take a small amount of Vaseline and spread it evenly along the zipper track. Vaseline works like a lubricant that helps reduce friction between the zipper teeth and the zipper pull, making everything move much more smoothly. After that, slowly pull the zipper back and forth a few times. The zipper will start working more smoothly and quietly, almost immediately. You can also apply this method to the zippers inside your suitcase as a way to maintain them after using them for a while. You can see that after applying Vaseline to the zipper tracks, everything works smoothly and lightly again. Try using this method regularly to help keep the zippers on your suitcase in good condition. In addition, you can also use Vaseline to make your suitcase wheels roll more smoothly. Similar to the method above, you only need to use a cotton swab to apply a very small amount of Vaseline around the wheel axles and wheel joints. After that, roll the wheels back and forth a few times so the Vaseline spreads evenly inside. The wheels will begin moving much more smoothly and quietly. Another way to make your suitcase look newer is by using Vaseline to treat scratches on the suitcase. It works extremely well. You just need to take a soft cloth, apply a small amount of Vaseline, and gently rub it over the scratched area a few times. Then use a dry cloth to wipe it again one more time until it is completely clean. Right away, the suitcase surface looks much cleaner and shinier. This method works especially well for older hard-shell suitcases that have started to look dull after many trips. And that's how you can unlock a suitcase when you forget the password, while also helping your luggage work smoothly and stay looking clean for longer. I hope these simple travel tips will make your next trip easier and safer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful everyday tips.